Hey y'all, it's Kenny here. I'm coming back to y'all with another video today. Y'all, I have been digging and searching for some new synthetic wigs because y'all know we got to keep this hair on point. It doesn't matter if it's a shortage on lace, honey. We are about to get this hair slayed and laid, okay? So y'all, I've been searching. I found some wigs online. I found some wigs in stores. So if you guys are interested, make sure you keep on watching. Do not forget to hit that like, that share, and subscribe, and I'll see y'all soon. I got this wig from Outre. This is their pre-pluck lace parting natural baby hairs HD transparent lace baby. Her style is in the style Odessa. This is the very mature name. Okay, so we just gonna call her Odie. Okay, and this is in the color DRFF honey brown. So y'all, I am so excited to try this color. When I was searching for this on Elevate Styles, y'all, trying to find the right color, they don't have photos for some of that on not just Elevate Styles, but it was other sites that just didn't have the color match so you can figure out what you want. So luckily God is good, honey, and I was able to get the right color. So if you guys are interested, keep on watching. Lace real quick. So y'all gonna see in the close-up that Outre think they slick, honey. They like didn't give you much lace to like lay your baby hairs, so most of this song is sewn on with the tracks. So I'm like, you can't even pluck this bad boy. Like, y'all, I got my tweezers out, like I'm about to go to town, and you can't really pluck it, otherwise you're gonna start seeing the tracks. Understand that this is probably not a lace that you're going to be able to put up in like a ponytail or something, because you will definitely be able to see the tracks. That's how close the lace and the tracks are. Like, I can't even say this is a quarter of lace in the front. This is probably an eighth. It's okay, honey, we just gonna make it work with this middle part. But yeah, let's go ahead and just get right into it.
I'm in love, giving them my daydream love. Sometimes it's not
this wig. Like, tell me she is not beautiful. Oh my gosh, she is so super duper cute. I did not waste time crimping her. I did not do any of that, y'all. I think I paid about $35 for this wig, but she is definitely super duper cute. Look at the color. Come on now. This is giving me all types of flat vibes that I feel like you typically get that little hump when you're getting it out the package, but this one didn't come like that. I only had to do a little bit of flattening at the top. I absolutely think she is so super natural looking as a closure. As a closure. One of my drawbacks about this wig, y'all, which I showed y'all previously, is this hairline, honey. Like, they don't even give you room to go in and pluck it out if you wanted to, or do a little extra work if you wanted to. But I feel like if you just use it as a closure wig, the girl is just bomb.com. Another drawback is I don't believe she big head friendly, y'all. Y'all know I got a small head, okay? And if she kind of riding up on the sides, you know what I'm saying? Like, I don't think she's gonna come down on my bigger head girls. I don't think she's gonna do what y'all want her to do. But if you're wearing her for more of a closure, I think she is perfect. If you don't care about your tabs coming all the way down because you don't plan on taking the hair out, or you plan on wearing her just like this, then yes, get her, honey. I think that she is well worth the value, well worth your money. She is a little thin back here, y'all, just a smidge, but I feel like that's okay because you want it to look natural and not overly thick and then get extra tangled. I just y'all, I got minimum shedding, little to no tangling, you guys. Like, it only looked like a little scraggly right now because I've been running my fingers through it. Like, I've been doing my intro, I've been doing all this little stuff, y'all, and I think that this kind of held up really well compared to some of the other synthetic wigs that I've kind of run my fingers through, and then the ends just look real funky. And I feel like I'm not getting there with this one at all. It still is in good condition. Y'all, Odie is so freaking super cute that I can't even keep my hands out of this hair. Like, this is just like giving me Beyonce vibes, honey. They giving me B vibes. Like, had to put on my Beyonce music. She was just looking so like kindred. Like, this is just so super cute, y'all. I don't even want to continue talking because I feel like I'm saying it too much, but she is definitely bomb.com, y'all. I would definitely cop her. I would definitely go and put her on. It's definitely slayable right out of the package. You don't have to do a lot right out of the package. So this is a win, honey. This is the win. But you guys, thank y'all so much for watching. I love y'all so much. Do not forget to like, share, and subscribe, and I will see y'all in my next one. Later.
I'm a Barbie girl living in my Barbie world. I'm a Barbie girl living in my Barbie world. When my Ken's at, take me to the party world. Dress up time, let's party, girl.